Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of Technology Glance. In this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can disable ghost mode on Snapchat.
Watch till the end and don't forget to subscribe to Technology Glance by hitting the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update. Without further ado, let's get started.
First of all, open the Snapchat app on your device. Now, tap on your profile icon. After that, select the gear button. Now, under privacy controls, you can find the See My Location option. Tap on it and then toggle off the button beside the ghost mode. And then toggle off the button beside the ghost mode. And that's it. This will turn off the ghost mode on your Snapchat account.
Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we'll love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day. So, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get an update as soon as we post a video.